Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Ford Kuga, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a Ford Kuga 2-litre TDCi titanium Powershift, and it's the 4-wheel drive. It's 2012 on a 62 plate, has done 46,504 miles. The fuel economy: urban 33.2 miles per gallon, extra urban 48.7 miles per gallon, and combined is 41.5 miles per gallon. Has a 0 to 60 time of 9.9 seconds, a top speed of 119 miles per hour out of 160 brake horsepower, 16 valve engine. Road tax, 6 months is £143 and 12 months is £260. So we've got the chrome grille, the fog lamp surrounds, kind of snowflake alloy wheels, real good design. Lovely car, plenty of room in it. We've got the roof bar carrier system, rear privacy glass, polished aluminium lower window trims, plastic wheel arch protectors, and it's also got the split tailgate, so you can lift just the top hatch up just for quick loading of your shop in there, or the whole hatch comes up like so. Plenty of room, split rear seat, the roller blind load cover there, nice kind of flat loading area as well, so not too bad for animals if you've got a dog to go in the back. The twin chrome exhaust tips there. Nice and comfy seats in the back, well padded, kind of half leather and cloth, and a good pattern. For an adult, you've got to have the headrests up, otherwise they stick right in the middle of your back. But once you've put them up, then it's really comfortable in the back. I've got my seat all the way back, and I've still got enough leg room. The thing with kind of MPVs, 4-wheel drives, they give you more legroom by making the vehicle higher off the ground, and obviously the seat squab higher from the floor, so you don't have to stretch your legs out like so. So as I say, that's just about right for me, and even with my seat all the way back. Got rear privacy glass, airbags in the B pillar there, and the kind of, well, that looks like proper aluminium, and that's obviously sprayed. It looks like body colour actually, or not far off body colour. I'll just take you for a ride in it. Remote central lock-in, it's keyless start. Just press the button there with your foot on the brake, and that's it. So just turn the fan down a little bit. There we go, just get that down. Do a couple of things while I remember. Let's just see. So there we go, height and reach adjustable steering wheel. That's sorted. And also the service history. So here we have first service 19th of the 10th 2012 at Ambracetti UK Limited Preparation Centre. I'm assuming that's the Ford PDI at 6 miles. And then so that's either the 7th of the 7th 2013 or 9th of the 7th 2013 at 3,153 miles, Evans Holshaw service, Preston. And then we've got the 6th of the 8th 2014 at 14,394 miles, Evans Holshaw service. 25th of the 8th 2015 at 23,948 miles, and that's Evans Holshaw again. 14th of the 9th 2016 at 30,909 Evans Holshaw. 15th of the 10th 2018 37,636 Lancashire Ford Ormskirk. 19th of the 7th 2019 39,841 miles, Evans, Halshaw, and that's at Chorley. So looks like it's got a full franchise service history there, and has only done 46,504 miles now. So we've got the remote key there and an ordinary key, and we'll just take you for a ride in it. Automatic, good spec, height adjustable seat. Just make sure nothing's come in here. Air conditions, icy cold. Got a multifunction steering wheel here, cruise control just on the left and right there. Here we've got control for the radio or audio control, then your indicators, and also control for your information display, and then wipers on the right hand side. Front central armrest, the Powershift gearbox here. If you knock it over there, you can knock it into sport and use it like so, change up and down, or push forward it's down, back towards you up. Thanks for indicating, Audi driver. Put it back in, just drive. Range Rover here. I thought he'd got his braces caught in my tailgate for a moment, but just a very, very, very bad driver. Lovely to drive, nice and smooth. Just seeing as we're stuck behind all these people, just test the door mirrors. Yep, that one works fine. That one's good too. Looking for, there's an on switch there. I was just looking for a sign in the clocks to say that the cruise was actually on and that I just needed to set it, which you see in some cars, but pick a lane and stick to it. Presumably he's going to turn right in obviously about a mile. So this is a four-wheel drive one as well. It's got a great service history. It's CD radio, the Sony one. It's Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth audio streaming. Hey Siri, play music. Good acceleration, lovely diesel engine, nice Ford gearbox. It's hard really to tell whether an automatic gearbox is good or better than the rest really, but it's nice and smooth. Got the split tailgate at the back, the snowflake alloy wheels. Actually, I'm going to have to think of something nicer than snowflake to call the alloy wheels. Electric windows are here. Again, sort of dark silver trim on the door handles. In the front central armrest there is an auxiliary in socket. Nice steering, car feels really sure-footed with being four-wheel drive. Get it up to 70, see what the rev situation is. So we've got on off there. Just make sure it's switched on and then click set. Just get up to 70. There we go, 70. Just over 2,000 revs. The Volvo that overtook me and then dropped in front of me and is now doing 65. Getting hemmed in here. There we go. Just try and stay clear of all the mayhem that ensues at this junction. Just as one lot's coming out, another lot's ready for coming off and turning left. So as I say, really nice, kind of leatherette outside of the seat bolster, and then cloth and charcoal contrast stitch and a contrast tape up the middle. It looks really nice. Very, very nice car to drive. I'm assuming that everybody who watches my videos always thinking to themselves, well, you always say it's a nice car to drive. But the good thing about being a small garage is that we source our cars and we only buy cars that we like. One thing about me, if I don't like you or I don't like something, it's immediately obvious in my face. I can't hide it. So if I say it's a nice car, I mean it. If I say it's a nice car and I don't mean it, you'll be able to tell by my face. But we sell a lot of Fords, obviously, like everybody does, and you can't really go wrong. Very economical too, reasonably cheap for on-road tax. Turn left into the left lane and then into the right lane. I don't know. Just there, that's your information display setter. I noticed before you could actually change the steering from the controls here, make it turn it into sport steering. I've got to say the steering's pretty good as it is. I might, if these lights are on red long enough, I might try to change it. Nope, they've gone to green, hard luck. We'll just change it to sport up here, or sport steering, and take it through the little bends on this country lane. Give that chap in front time to get through the bends so we can go through them a little bit faster. So let's get it to set menu, click the end. We've got ESP there, electronic stability program. Can you knock that off? Just have a look. Yeah, you knock it off from there. Why you'd want to do that? Reset trip, messages, steering. Click on steering. You've got standard, sport and comfort, so we'll just click it into sport, try that, and then we'll take it through these bends. I'll put it into sport as well and change manually. Now, that's really nice. A couple of cyclists here on a 70-mile-an-hour road. To be honest, I think you should be allowed to knock them off when they're red like that. Although they look as old as me, so they've obviously been doing something right. Put it back in drive for this. There we go. I'm going to pull over in a short while, show you how to pair a mobile, how to delete a mobile, and how to stream audio through this Sony system. And just ask you to have a look at our website, ggcars.co.uk. Even if this one's gone when you're looking, we might have something else that's suitable. Nice to drive. This is just as it's come in. It's not been cleaned. We've just got to know the difference between some cars when they come in. We got one the other day, which is basically a nice car. It's a lovely car, and it's a great model for us to have in stock. But they've obviously got a couple of kids, and I spent yesterday afternoon dismantling the interior, because one of the little brats had stuck 2 pens, a packet of sweets, and the end of a lollipop up the seat rail, and had jammed the seat in the forward position. And in order to be able to get it out, I had to take all the centre console out to get to the side trim down here, so I could release it. But anyway, nothing like that with this. This is a genuine car, nice clean car, and a lovely model. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.